Have you ever wondered how websites actually get traffic from Google? Like, why some sites always show up first while others don't even appear? That's where SEMrush comes in. SEMrush is an all-in-one marketing toolkit for anyone who wants to grow online. You can use it to find out what keywords people are searching for, check how hard it is to rank for them, and even see what your competitors are doing, like which keywords they use, where their backlinks come from, and how much traffic they're getting. And it's not only for SEO. SEMrush also helps with content marketing, social media, and even paid ads. So, whether you're running a business, building a blog, or just curious about your competition, SEMrush is like having a guide that shows you what's working online and how you can do it better. To make it practical, let's imagine we're planning to build a new website to sell personalized gifts. In that case, one of the best competitors we can study is Shutterfly. In this demo, I'll walk you through some useful features step by step. We'll start with domain overview, then dive into branded versus non-branded keywords, and finally see how to pick the right keywords and use SEMrush's content tools to create SEO-friendly articles. So, let's get started. First, type Shutterfly.com into the SEMrush search box. Once we hit enter, SEMrush takes us to the domain overview page, where we can see the main metrics for the site. Here in domain overview, let's take a closer look at the key metrics. First, the authority score, which measures the overall strength of the domain. Next, we have organic search traffic and paid search traffic, the number of visitors coming from Google, both unpaid and paid. Then we see backlinks, which show how many external sites link to Shutterfly. Finally, the traffic share gives us an idea of where their visitors come from relative to competitors. Since we're a startup, we can skip some of the advanced charts that focus on paid search, and instead focus on organic traffic, which is the part we can realistically influence. Scrolling down to the top organic keywords chart, we can see the top 5 ranking keywords: Shutterfly, Shutterfly login, Mother's Day, Happy Birthday wishes, and birthday wishes. Take a moment to notice how brand terms dominate the list, but there are also general interest terms that could bring new visitors. To dig deeper, let's go to the branded versus non-branded traffic section. Branded keywords include the company's name, like Shutterfly or Shutterfly login. Non-branded keywords are more general, like happy birthday wishes. People searching these terms may not know the brand yet. For our new website, non-branded keywords are the real opportunity. Here we see a table with multiple parameters for each keyword. There's intent, which shows what the user wants, position, the current ranking on Google, traffic, the estimated monthly visits from that keyword, traffic percent, the share of total organic traffic, volume, the number of searches per month, and KD, the keyword difficulty score. Now, let's find the most viable keywords for us. We can filter the KD. As it suggests, a higher KD score would mean more difficulty in ranking higher of this specific keyword. So usually we would select KD of lower than 50. After filtering, we sort the list by traffic percent from top to bottom. Sorting this way helps us prioritize the keywords that bring the most potential traffic. In this case, the top keywords are happy birthday wishes, happy belated birthday, Christmas cards, and graduation announcement. These keywords represent opportunities where we can realistically compete and attract new visitors. Once we have our target keywords, we can move to the AI article generator on the left sidebar. Clicking it takes us to a new page. Here, we enter a topic, for example, gifts for important days, and click Get Suggestions. We then select our audience location, edit our target keywords by adding the top 5 we identified earlier, and choose a word count between 800 and 1,200 words. Finally, we click Create Article, and SEMrush generates an SEO-optimized draft that we can use as a starting point for our content. We can also edit the title tag and meta description. These are the texts that appear on Google's search results page. Using engaging language and clear calls to action here can make your listing stand out and attract more clicks. Click the Publish button, then you can export the document. You can edit based on your business, insert your own images, and post on your website. So to recap, we started with domain overview to get the big picture of Shutterfly's traffic and authority. Then we explored top organic keywords and the difference between branded and non-branded search terms. We filtered keywords by difficulty and sorted by traffic potential to find the best opportunities. And finally, we used the AI article generator to turn these keywords into actionable content. If you want more tutorials like this, or want me to go deeper into other SEMrush tools, make sure to hit the subscribe button and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.